Hey guys, welcome back to Morant's Rants. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. Very excited about what happened with GameStop today on the stock market. But before we even do that, guys, a special shout out to Zach. He works for Frontier. He's selling door-to-door internet, and I'm going to tell you right now, he's a hell of a salesman. So I just want to give you that because he was. But let's look at the stock, guys. It's GameStop. Let's see what we're doing here. Now, I'm going to draw this out for you guys on the daily chart. Remember, we drew these trend lines days ago. Okay, if not a week ago, and we told you what was going to happen. We had a conversation in Discord about a week ago. Everyone was telling us it's going to come down, and I'm telling you again, why would it? I'm looking at it just like you are. But what stock do you guys know that was at rock bottom just about a month ago, and now it's sky high, right? I mean, we're talking about 60, 70% increase from the $15 that it was. Now, why is no one talking about it? I've looked at MSNBC. I've looked at, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, all the channels, read every article I could, and no one's telling me why GameStop's going up. Other than the fact that you and I, we keep buying. Do we support this company? Absolutely. Do I have a $25 gift card that I forgot to give away last night? Yes, it's right here. I am giving it away at some point this week. But as you guys know, I'm on my physical fitness tip right now, so I'm really working on that. Hopefully getting a little bit cheekbones back, trying to look the part, but I'll tell you what. This stock is looking the part. This stock, as I look at it and I see what GameStop's doing, I'm going to break something down for you guys today. And this is a longer clip video than normal because I was reading the balance sheet for Best Buy. Now, this is the balance sheet for Best Buy. And if we look at this, this is their 10K, okay, guys? Their annual report. And it says here, under the category of entertainment, there's drones, gaming, including hardware and software. This is all gaming, okay? Movies, music, toys, virtual reality, and other software. That's the whole category of what GameStop is. That is the competition of GameStop. Now, is there really competition for GameStop? Because when I look at that category and I look at what they've done in sales, I had to go all the way down the balance sheet. And remember, I'm looking for entertainment. Matter of fact, let's just do it this way. So it's travel and entertainment. Entertainment makes up about 6% of their whole revenue mix summary. So 6% is everything they do, and that's what it is. There was a 5.5% sales decline. And what I'm telling you guys is they had decline in sales, 5% on the number that it was. Why does it matter? And I'll tell you why it matters. Because if you really look at this, 8.6% comparable sales, comp sales decline was driven primarily by gaming and virtual reality. The problem that they're having in this sector, this is Best Buy. Great company. I looked at the balance sheet. They're strong. They pay a dividend. People want to buy the stock. They're buying back their own stock with all the cash they have. Over the last 2-3 years, they have, they've burned off about $3.5 billion, $3.2 billion on share buyback program that they have, just trying to prop up their price. But they have plenty of money to borrow, and they have tons of cash on hand. They're still paying a dividend today. But look at this sector right here, where they had a decrease in sales and or flat from 2021 to now. Now, we know 2021 was a killer year for retail. 2022 apparently was a great year for them as well. But 2023, not so much, coming down. It's on a downtrend right now. And that is the same exact categories as GameStop. And why is that? Because remember what I tell you guys. If someone's losing, someone's winning. And that's GameStop that's winning. That's what I'm looking at. So I went and broke that down for us because I look at this chart and I think earnings are coming. We're hitting this wall right here. I drew these lines. You see the white line there? We kissed right up to it. Now, either we're going to break out or we're going to consolidate back down, have a sideways day tomorrow. But remember, tomorrow's Friday. It's expiration day. And if that's the case, if you're looking at this, guys, this stock has crept up enough over the last week that people on these, we're going to talk about in the money. I'll go ahead and look at it right now. Let's just go look at it right now. Calls in the money. It's not going to try. I'm not even prepared for it because, like I said, no edits, no cuts, right? As we look at this chart here, you're going to see great DRS numbers. I don't mind. But this right here, 37,000 call contracts in the money, almost half of everything that's written out there is in the money. As you can see, the puts that are not in the money, they're not there. Everything's out of the money. They're going to expire. That's fine. Cash secure puts are one thing. But if you look at these call contracts, people think this is a gamma ramp of some kind because 37,000 call contracts represents around 3.7 million shares. To most people, that would mean nothing. That's 1% of the entire float. But it's not 1% of the entire float because there's a free float. And then there's a DRS float. And you guys know how illiquid this stock is. That 37,000 call contracts might create a problem for someone. So you might want to go ahead and drop this stock back down. You know what I want to do? I want to challenge every short hedge fund out there. All you naysayers on GameStop and what it is. I dare you to drop this price. I dare you to attack the stock tomorrow because I want it for less, right? Now let's think about the mindset of having a stock for less. Everyone was asking me today in the Discord, Marantz, I wanted to buy in, but man, I missed it. It was at $20. It was at $18 last week. And now here we are. We're at, $23. I'm not buying it. It's too much. It's up. And I'm like, are you guys serious right now? That is such a discount. 2305 might be good compared to where we were 2 weeks ago, but you have to think about it on your own cost base. 99% of investors in GameStop have a higher cost base average than $23 a share. So if you have the opportunity to lower your daily cost average all the way down, even today, guys, I put a buy order in for $23 flat. It got filled. I posted in the Discord. You guys saw it. So I'm going to do that every day because it's below my cost base average on one of my accounts. On my other account, I'm pretty close. I'm at $24. But this stock's great. It's amazing. I love watching the whole amount of my brokerage account just go up every week like it has. Look at the last 14 days. This is a daily chart, guys. Now, if we're looking at the 4-hour chart, you're going to see some steps. There, we're stair stepping. And as we step up every day, one up, one up, one up, then we go sideways for the day. That's okay. That's consolidation. That's the bigger rips, bigger not. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys something, okay? When I knew that we were in for a good day today, we ripped up, ripped down, ripped up, ripped down, ripped up. These are all getting smaller rips until you break out. So if we break out tomorrow morning, well, then we know we're doing another step up to 2350, 2380. That's the route, but we're not coming down below 2260 unless they attack. And if they attack, oh, well, I have plenty of room to come down and I have plenty of shares to keep buying. So that's my whole deal on GameStop, guys. What a great company. What a great stock. You'll never see me speak out against it until they do something that I don't agree with. And I've yet to see that happen. Next, we're going to look at the chart here. I have more stocks to talk about. We had AMC to talk about. The movie industry is booming, right? They tell me. And I was looking at it because everyone wants to announce Indiana Jones and all the other movies coming out, and everyone's excited. Like I told you, I'm excited for The Flash. I really am. The unfortunate part is I'm going to watch it at a different movie theater. Guys, they had the lowest day that they've had ever in the last couple of weeks, and that was Wednesday at $7 million. If you can see, it's a drop-off from last week of almost 30%, and year-to-date, 36% drop-off. They had a terrible day on Wednesday. So if you ever wanted to do an evacuation drill, you can do it right there in the AMC parking lot because no one was there. That is $7 million. This is for the total domestic box office. This is not just for AMC movie theaters. So you can look at what they're doing and what they're not doing. It is the worst day they've had in a while. And since Super Mario Brothers last day, that where they were the kings. But what you're looking at, Super Mario Brothers was strong for a long time, guys. A lot of days here, they were strong. And now you're looking at Guardians of the Galaxy falling off. But yet, Adam Aarons, he put out tweets, all the movies that they're releasing and what's coming up in the next couple months. And I'm just like, guys, how many people can go to these movies? The same group goes to the same movies every week or every 2 weeks or every month. You're not going to get a new crowd. And I don't think that for them to think that Indiana Jones is a big hit, maybe 10 years ago, in my opinion, but I don't know how big it can be with Harrison Ford, who's like 97 years old, guys. I just don't know what he's going to do walking around with a whip and a gun and whatever he's doing these days. But now, I digress. Good luck to the movie theaters. Good luck to AMC. I don't know what they're going to make. I don't know how you do it. But the stock itself was stagnant. It was dropped a half a point, 59 basis points. And this is a stock. It's barcoding the whole way through. It's at $5. And it's at a market cap of 2.5, right? 2.6. You're not going to get much out of it. The next thing that I'm looking at for all these damn stocks that I pay attention to. We won't talk about BBBYQ other than the fact that they have a couple more days till Judgment Day, right? They're not going to have a stalking horse. If they do get one, then we'll find out who's dumb enough to buy this company and not wait for the liquidation of it. That's just me personally, but we'll look at it another day. Highcroft Mining, don't pay attention to it too much. GNS, nope. Mullen Automotive, bunch of crooks in my mind, but 119, $1.19, dropped 2.5% more. I said it would be coming down, so what is it doing? It keeps coming down. Now, the two stocks that are undefeated, well, one is going to be an ETF by the name of SPY, right? So the SPY is undefeated. If you guys have never seen this damn thing, the SPY touched 420.65 in the after hours. It's in a groove. I don't know what the hell it's doing. I don't know who's holding it up. I don't know if Tesla's propping this thing up. I don't know if Costco's doing the damn thing. I just know that the SPY can't be beat. Certainly in that last 3-hour time frame, the SPY went crazy. Okay, last 2 hours of the day. So a lot of people want to play that game, want to play the option side of it. I don't play those games. I'll let you guys do it. But let's look at Costco for a second. Costco at $498.10. I bought a little bit more just so you guys know. I put in another $200 on it this past week. I think I do an automatic buy on this stock because I love it. I've loved it for so long. But the estimated earnings are going to be coming out next week. I won't be filming. I won't be showing you them, but I might talk about them if they're in the positive and they're looking great. But I expect to step up on Costco stock. This is a line I drew weeks ago, months ago. And guess what? It's still in. I mean, isn't that amazing? It's lock and step with what we drew. It touched. It came down. I haven't touched this when I bought it, so I don't know what to tell you guys. I bought some stock somewhere around here in March. This time frame here, I drew these lines, and look at this. We've fit right into the wedge. So I feel like earnings that are going to be coming out are going to break out the wedge if the earnings are right the way they should be. But I don't know too much. I'm just doing my best. So other than that, I'm looking to see if there's any other stocks we can talk about today. There is one. I had drawn this. Where did it go? It was BBY. So Best Buy, right? So Best Buy, I started drawing a line on this damn thing. And you guys can look at it all you want. I don't give out financial advice, but I saw a trend for this stock and what it's been doing. So I felt it's pretty strong at this level. This is a good support level for them since they're buying back their own shares. And after I read the balance sheet, it looked decent. But like I said, they can't compete with GameStop in the gaming sector, but they have appliances, they have other things, they have cell phones that they make a lot of money on. So I'm looking at it. Doesn't mean that I'm going to commit to it just yet. Like I said, I have a special tie to this company, but I'm a GameStop guy. That's what I'm telling you. How about that? We'll just do that. As I look off the screen, guys, I keep looking up. It's because the Lakers just gave up the lead. It's like, what the hell, Lakers, right? I'm watching you, and we're trying to beat Denver on the road. We got to get one of these games. And I say we because I do play for the Lakers. You guys just don't know it yet. Anyway, back to what we're doing on the channel, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys every time watching the updates, doing what they do. I do have the $25 cash card to GameStop. So the way I'll give that away tomorrow, I'll try to go live tomorrow morning. And then if I do happen to give into that need, oh, yeah, good job. Way to miss. It's okay, guys. I'll stop the whole show for this. There we go. Good job. All right, we're only down by one. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and give away the $25 cash card tomorrow morning. So let's see if I can get live and get in front of you guys. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys love the update. And the update on me, well, I lost 17 pounds in the last 11 days. Let's keep grinding with that one. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. I'm going to see you around, millionaires. Peace.
Welcome to my rants, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to the right place. You're pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to my rants. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC or Superposition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to my rants. 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 Welcome to my rants.